Hey everybody, it's Ron and Sharon, and we are back at it again. Actually, I'm by myself again. Sharon's off and running. I don't know where she ran off to, but this is Lightning Link Sahara Gold. And look at that major, $1,000. We gotta give it a shot. Let's play some slots. We're doing 2-cent denomination, a little progressive betting. Let's see if we can bring that major in those 6 balls. If you want to give us the bonus feature, that would be fantastic too. Jacks all the way across. Six of those, and we got something going. Let's do it. Well, that's the bonus feature right there. That's what we're talking about. Now, ideally, the bonus in the bonus is what we want. So we need those balls right now. I think we get 6 spins. Oh, wait a second. This is a little new to me too. Oh, wait a second. Oh, I gotta go this way. So we got a hold and spin feature. There we go. All right. All right, let's get them. Let's do it. Come on. Nice. Nice. Each time we get one, we get 3 more spins. I don't know if you guys can see it. Stay hot. Let's do it. Nice. Let's get one every time. Every spin, every spin. Nice. How about that major? Any colors? We got mini, minor, major. Like I said, that major is $1,000. That's actually on the high. I think that's the highest that the major can be. Of course, if you want to hit that grand jackpot, we'll fill them all up and do it. Let's do it. One, any ball, any ball. Nice. Let's do it. Do it. Still alive. Come on now. Fill it up. Do it. Anything. Uh-oh, down to the wire, down to the wire. Come on. Ball. Any ball. Any ball. Yes! Nice. Oh, that's a $60 ball right there. Let's go. Keep it up. Keep it up. Let's do it. Come on, stay hot. Stay hot. 1 ball. Yes. Let's do it. We can do this. We can do this. How about that major? Come on. Anything with letters. Anything with letters. Last spin, maybe not. Come on, stay hot. Stay hot. 1, 1, 1. Oh, I saw that major go by. Actually, I think that was a minor. Oh. Hey, I'll tell you what, that's very nice. Again, I think Sharon will be happy. I think we started with around 50 bucks, and so that's a great hit. Thanks so much, you guys. Thanks for subscribing. We really appreciate it. Take care.